All right, so this is our browser, and I search Facebook Pixel Helper, and let's install this tools. So this is a Chrome extension for Facebook Pixels Shaker. So basically, I set up Facebook Pixel in my website, so that's why I am going to check that. So this is my website. So I'm going to test one product. So this one. So you can see my Facebook pixel. So the home page view is connected. If I open this product and it show it's a view content. Okay, with the including all the product event. If I do add to cart, then it show add to cart. Okay, this is add to cart. If I delete this product from cart button, this will show remove from cart. So I am getting all the event. If I click on this button, like if I go on this checkout page, this pixel shoots fire initiate checkout button. Okay, and if I add some information on there, it should say another. Okay, just try to submit. You can see the add shipping information also here. Okay, and if I input the card information there, it will actually fire another event like add payment information like that. Okay, so why I we need this setup? Because like for getting more conversion from ads. Okay, like it will also trigger the purchase event when someone complete the purchase from our store. Okay, so then actually Facebook actually required the event. So that's why you need to configure all the pixels event correctly. You will get a lot of apps on App Store. Then I definitely suggest this app, which is Park Our Facebook Pixel, and feed is completely free, and you can see 137 review out 4.9 out of 5. So that's mean it's very famous, and it will provide you value, and you don't need to get any premium tools for at the beginning. I hope these tools will help you guys. Okay, so you can use this one, and I highly recommend that. You just simply search this name on your Shopify store, then you definitely get this store link on Google, then you can use this one. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit a thumbs up. It will help me to consider working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then definitely stay with me. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day. Installing your Facebook pixel. But personally, I used Google Tag Manager. If I show you Google Tag Manager, and I will build all the event by myself. And if you really want to learn that, then you will get my old video on my YouTube channel. But if you actually need to learn it from like a new, then you can contact me. I will help you. Okay, so basically that is the update for today's store. I have completed all my pixel setup, and the pixels is now able to track my event. Okay, so thank you very much.